Hey, darling. This is Faith Hunter, and welcome to The Shift, your midweek moment to pause, reframe, and rise. In the next few minutes, we'll blend research with soul so you leave grounded, motivated, and aligned with who you are becoming. We spend so much time chasing transformation, but very little time letting it land. You learn the lessons. You have the breakthroughs. You feel the spark of change. But the real question is, has it entered your body? Embodiment. That's the topic. Embodiment is the moment when wisdom stops being an idea and becomes a lived truth. It's kind of when your nervous system, your breath, your choices, and your presence finally catch up with the person you're becoming. Neuroscience calls this the state-dependent learning, when your brain strengthens a new pattern only when your body feels it consistently. So, insight alone doesn't rewire anything. I'm going to say that again. Insight alone does not rewire anything. What rewires you is repetition, sensation, and ding, 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 safety. Your body has to experience the new reality before your mind begins to believe it. This is why the transformation you're calling in might take a really long time or might feel a little slow. Your body is learning a new rhythm. Your breath is mapping a new pathway. Your nervous system is deciding whether this new version of you feels safe enough to sustain. Integration is not the glamorous part of healing. It's the gentle part, the part where you choose the new pattern again and again and again until it becomes your natural state of being. That looks like taking the pause instead of the panic, softening your jaw muscles when tension rises, replacing that reaction with presence, and honoring the boundary you used to abandon. And it's also speaking the truth you once swallowed. You see, embodiment is not perfection. It's practice. It's remembrance. It's the soft repetition of becoming. So today, I want you to whisper this. I let the lessons live in my body. One more time. I let the lessons live in my body. I invite you to choose one action that brings you into alignment. Something your future self would do with grace, with ease, and with sovereignty. And the magical part is that is integration. All right, darling. Let that land wherever you need it most. Let it carry you through the rest of the week as a reminder that small shifts create lasting change. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more shifts. And definitely share this with someone who's learning to embody their becoming. Stay soft, stay grounded, and always stay spiritually fly. Ciao.